สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Asian Kitchen in Berlin. My name is Tanya and today we are going to make beef noodle soup. I myself was born in the noodle soup shop. It was normal for me. Woke up in the morning, help my mom to set up the soup pot and chop the vegetable, cut up the meat. I was tired because it's early in the morning, but after I smell the fried garlic, I smell the soup that I become energized. I have energy again. The most important thing for the soup is the beef bone. So we need a rice noodle, carrot, white radish, onion, spring onion together with coriander, and also the bean sprout, garlic, peanut, crystal sugar, bouillon, a little bit salt, soy sauce, white vinegar, chili powder, vegetable oil. These are the spice for beef soup, and all that you put into white cloth like this to wrap them so it doesn't come into messy into the soup. You can find the root of coriander only in the Asian store, so if you see it, just take a lot and put into the freezer because it's good for all the soup. First, we're going to start by making soup. I put the bone into the water. We add in cinnamon, anise, not to put too much, otherwise you get the bitter taste. Cut into big pieces. And this is the most important thing for the nice flavor of the soup. You mash it to get the right nice flavor out. I put one bouillon in, a little bit of salt just to get the taste. The crystal sugar to make the soup taste nice, but not too sweet like a normal sugar. And now we close the lid and we leave it for half hour until we get a nice bouillon. So the next thing I'm going to prepare the fried garlic. It's nicely taste and it's very important for any kind of noodle soup. You cannot miss that. So normally you crush the garlic. Two, you can prepare in advance. You can fry it and keep it for 1 or 2 weeks. That's no problem. The oil have to be hot, but you also have to be careful to stir all the time. Otherwise, the garlic will be burned. That's always the selling point of any kind of noodle soup in Thailand. You make garlic, fried garlic, and people start to smell the garlic, and then there, the life start. They come to ask, is it ready? A little bit brown, but not burned. Smell nice, and it's ready for the noodle soup. While we are waiting for our soup, now we start to cook the noodle. I use a little bit of bean sprout here, noodle. Actually, you can also use other vegetables like broccoli, spinach. Now the water is boiling. It's a bit too small, but otherwise it's okay. I can manage. But you use also the fresh bean sprout after that. Noodle is ready. Now we prepare the garnish. Chop a spring onion. That's what I have to do every morning when I was young, and then you start to cry because of the onion. And now coriander. This is the nice herb for the noodle soup. You put them on top of the noodle. The meat, we use very good, very fresh meat and cut very thin slice because we are going to cook them into the hot soup just on top of the noodle like that. We don't cook them into the pot. We'll cut a thin slice and still taste fresh beef. Now I would put the fried garlic. Basically it's ready like that. You just need to add soup and then it's done. Now the soup is done, noodle is done, so let's add the soup into the noodle. Pour the hot soup onto the beef. I add a little bit of fresh bean sprout. If you go to eat noodle soup in Thailand, you will see on the table ground peanut that you can add. I would do the same like what you would eat in Thailand. That's how it would be. So this is our noodle soup. If you enjoy this recipe, please like and share this video and subscribe to Asian Kitchen in Berlin. See you next time. สวัสดีค่ะ